Hello and welcome. This is Cara and it's Freebie Friday day. Freebie Friday day. So this is May 21st's Freebie Friday. I did another thing with the tickets. There is a kind of a red collage in the ticket kit. However, this collage has some different pieces in it. The tags and labels and the 29 cents are not in the collage, in the ticket kit. So it's a bit different. So when I was making this, what I had in mind, well, it's a collage, so you can do whatever. It could be a journal page, it could be tags, it could be whatever you want. Well, I was thinking, I haven't made, what are these? Envelopes in a long while, and I thought it would be fun to make an envelope using this collage sheet. So I've cut my paper to 7 inches, and that's going to make a 3.5 by 4.5 sized envelope. And I need to do 3/8. Wait, no, that's not right. 3 1/8. And I need my foam folder. Okay, what did I say? 3 1/8. I'm going to line it up. 3 1/8. Look at this guy. And then we punch, and we turn, and we line it up. And then we round our corners. There we go. Love this little handy envelope punch board. It's kind of nice. Makes it quick. Oh, hopefully I did it right. Me and my punch board have issues sometimes. All right, so I'm gonna fold and fold. Do I want it like that, or do I want it like that? I think I like this side. And I'm gonna get my double-sided tape. If you want to download this Friday freebie, you can head over to my Facebook page, Cara, Brandon, and Friends, and you will find this in the file section. All of my Friday freebies are in the file section. And then every Friday, I do a drawing for the previous Friday. And then the person, so let me back up. So I'll have a posting, so like for this one, and you can post a picture of the things that you make using the freebie. And then the next Friday, I'll do a drawing for this Friday, and the person who is the winner, I do a random draw, and the person who is the winner will receive a 50% off coupon to an item in my shop. It's just kind of fun. So here's my envelope. It could go in a journal with either fabric or washi tape and be a fold out this way. You could just attach it this way in a journal and then put some tags in there as a way to embellish a journal. Let's see, I have last week's tag. It could go like that, or you could have a pocket here. It could be sideways, and you could put a pocket here, and then even here and here. Lots of different fun options. I was thinking of taking this part. So this is the cutoff from this. And I was just going to do a little flip down thing. Just bring this up and bring this down. I think I might fold these. And then this is another cutoff. I think I'm going to use this piece. I'm just going to trim around. That's what I love about these tickets, is that you can print them and then just cut things apart and you have all sorts of ephemera. I love my tickets. And let's put that here as a way to tuck it in. Oh, do I have my, there it is. Oh my gosh, right in front of me. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna need glue or if this will work. Can stick that right there, and then that can come out like that, and then there's a journaling spot. Heck, why not make a belly band? Let's do that too. I'm trying to use up the whole sheet. So here, and I'm just going to trim right there. There we go. And then if I had a small ticket, I have something over here. Oh, you know what I have? I have tickets from the ticket kit. This one's too big. I can just stick these in here. That's fun. And then this will fold up like that. And then tuck in like that. And then I could stick this, an envelope in an envelope. And then my ticket from last week. Oh, we even have this ticket, or this tag. So then I'm creating kind of a stuffed envelope. Stick him in here for fun too. That's great. I love it. I love when multiple weeks can be used together. All right. You can again download this at Cara, Brandon, and Friends, and I can't wait to see what you make with this week's Freebie Friday. Happy crafting, and I will see you next time. Bye.